I'm so sorry. What do you do? Your mother.
We did it.
I repeat, cum does not work.
Ow. Oh. I put my dick in a bun.
Oh, fuck. I forgot to get the camera. No. I just ripped a fucking hole through space and reality. To show you my dog. I worry about where the bubbles are coming from my vagina. Like, if I would sniff this in real life, I think I would just undress. Fully. Bye-bye, Goofy.
I don't know where the other hat is. I found one near me.
I didn't know you could do that. You can't prove wrong. You can't prove me wrong. Not me licking my lips as I find out if the statue has nipples. Well, you can break a penis. Wait, are you gonna watch me whilst you shower? None of you guys blow me, so. Sleece.
You will pet my fucking bird.
Fuck it. I confuse mothers with cum every time. Capture now, or I'm gonna kill you. Yep. Oh, you can. Oh shit, he's sturdy with it, bro. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Big pog for your mum. I can't believe I just said that. Not keen. Whoa! Hey, relax. Oh, fuck that. Her fucking boobs just started shaking. Thanks. Into the van. No! What? Oh. There's no shot. Someone in the science team just went, damn, that shit hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna call it sexy shrimp. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? Hello, hi. Welcome to, welcome to Sunday, Community Sunday. It's a Sunday for community things. Hello. Hello, Magnus. I do love a sexy shrimp. I ate man over Christmas. Manny, no. Just say you ate man. I feel like that's better. I feel like there being less man in the world is kind of pog. Yeah. Hello. How's it going? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Hope everyone's doing great. Community Sunday gamers. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's Community Sunday. It's Fortnite. It's time to game. Why did I sound like I am not a cat lawyer with that lost comment? Oh god, you're not doing great whatsoever, huh? With the lost comment. Where did you lose it? I hope you find it. I'm doing well. How is your life? I'm doing alright. Very tired. Very tired. I've not had good enough sleep today. Mostly because I've been woken up by child, wherever he is right now. A little punk bitch woke me up. A little fucking punk woke me up. But apart from that, I'm doing good. How are you doing, Olaf? Hello, Sean. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing good. How are we doing? How are you doing?
Am I missing something? No, okay. Hello, Vespa. How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Welcome, welcome. Hello. I can do Fortnite in about 20 or 50 gigabyte update. Ooh. That's not bueno. That's no bueno. 20 minutes though. 50 gig and 50 gig update in 20 minutes. That's kind of crazy. Cool. I cut a quick dub before the stream started. Pog, let's go. I should not do it. I should not do it. I should not do it. Need to have self-control about the chleb man buying little chleb dogs. Self-control. It sucks because I recently bought the Harley Quinn skin, like the new one, because it looked cool, and then they come up with this, and I'm upset now because I would love to have the V-Bucks for that. Shit. Fuck. Gamers, it's over. Can't believe this. That's image my head. Do good, I'm trying to edit something, but I don't know if it's gonna work. Well, try it, and you'll never know until you try. Considering it used to take days to download 50 gigs. Oh, I get that. Bro, I remember, like, when my internet speed was, like, 900 kilobits per second. And it used to, like, sometimes go to, like, 400 kilobits per second. I was like, what the fuck? You just got a basement dying Doberman. Oh, honestly, listen, I'm way ahead of you. Support a creator code based always. 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 Hello, Calico. How you doing? I'm doing alright. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. It's a humanified dash bun. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna control myself. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm trying. I just need to screen record all of this song stoops this year. Oh god. Good luck. Good luck. Being alright, but I'll be right back. Okay. Hey, if anyone wants to join in, you're more than welcome to join in to the squad. I'll wait a few minutes, if anything, or I'll play like a solo game if people want to join or not. Oh. Sean at it immediately. Let's fucking go. Fucking. All right. Let's go to the gaming well, the streaming voice chat. My bad was already in the game buying something. Did you use code based? Oh.
My bad.
No, you're good.
How
You're
you
good.
doing?
I'm alright. How are you doing?
Well, I'm alright.
Good.
Like I said,
Uh.
bought a quick dub in OG Fortnite. It was pretty dope.
OG Fortnite. Imagine playing OG Fortnite. Couldn't believe.
There.
Okay, let's
What's
see.
wrong with OG Fortnite?
I hate OG Fortnite. That's why I never played it.
Fair. I do not blame you.
Oh god. What should we go with today? Oh, you know what? Since I bought the fucking, like, the Harley Quinn skin, I'm gonna fucking use it. It's a good thing that, like, everything you get from this season is pretty much fits, like, the aesthetic of Japan. That's that. Let's see. What can we do?
Vesper, do not throw your phone. That is not the solution.
Don't do that. Do not throw the phone. It's not great. Let's see. Oh yeah, well, akimbo katanas. And then... yeah,
Let's go. Top 2 Fortnite streamers, Kai Cenat and Based Olaf.
No. Far from it. I'm
They're
not.
the only 2 people that are my recommended channels
mate.
on Twitch that are playing it, so has to be. Also, Based Olaf viewers also watch Nate Wants to Battle play Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. So, you know.
Huh?
On Twitch, it says Based Olaf viewers also watch Nate Wants to Battle, Bull Pixie, Surprise Around RPG, and that's it.
Oh, probably. It's probably Demon, mostly.
And Little Karibo.
Fair. Yeah, that's fair. However, my dude, everything people manage to make a free story semi-detached with Garage in the time it takes me to blink. Yes, however, there's an OG no build as well.
That's what I was doing, OG no build.
However, you will get one shot immediately because the balancing was not good.
Well, I think they updated that. Well, the shotguns, yes, but like a blue sniper to the head only does 105.
Okay.
So, and I hit 2 from like a mile and a half away, so I'll take it.
Fair enough. That's good. I'm not that good at snipers.
See, I'm not either typically, but then when we're in the final 3 and the guy's just standing still trying to snipe back at me, it's kind of easy.
Hmm.
Damn, I can't believe Valorant gifted 2 subs.
I know, right? It's because of the fucking, like, what's it called? The program that they did. I don't know what it was. But, like, if someone gifted, like, 5 gifted subs, Valorant gives, like, a gifted sub as well. Which is interesting.
Yeah, where you want to land?
I don't know.
I have every location now.
Let's go with Flooded Frogs.
Go to the frogs.
I have too much stuff on my phone. Apparently, it's only 126.74 gigabytes on. Oh, Jesus Christ! You need to clear out your phone.
How many pictures do you have? I don't know.
Well, they screen record like a lot of things because they edit like fan cams and stuff. So a lot.
I have screenshots on my phone. I don't have pictures. I haven't taken a picture of myself in over 7 years. So
fair.
Mods, get him out.
Primal Chick, 2P Squad, welcome to the Slash Good Enough Issues Slab. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you for appreciate it.
Oh, that's what I was responding to. The bot saying.
Yeah.
But hey, fair.
I don't do follows for follows.
No,
Unfortunately.
he wants to subscribe for subscribe.
Yeah, well, he didn't subscribe, so
I know.
no subscribe.
Exactly. To the dungeon. Oh god. Oh, you already have minis for good. Are you fighting?
Yup.
Oh.
Going against John Wick. I forgot how to movement game in this game.
Oh god, they have a sword!
Where the fuck did he go?
His teammate ran towards me, but I ran away after I killed dude with a sword.
Give me a fucking potion. John Wick escaped. I don't know where he went.
I don't know where the guy went. He might have carried his teammate away, because I didn't kill him. Oh, I hear the walking. They have a sword! Oh my fucking god. Kill him.
Bug. I've overestimated the time it takes to download.
Oh, they're here? There's John Wick.
I needed to reload. I didn't fucking reload in time. Damn.
Yeah.
Mubba. Training ground. Training.
Oh no, what happened?
No, it's us training. This is the trial run. First game. Rip. Well, that means, hey, we can wait for you, Magnus, now.
Yeah.
If you're, like, whenever you're done downloaded. Oh, man. Was that Hook? Yeah. Where is it? There it is. Captain Hook, Maleficent, and Cruella de Vil.
Oh, it looks okay. The other two look great.
I hate the Maleficent skin. It looks ugly. The Cruella one's great. The Hook one is great.
It doesn't look like Maleficent. Granted, I'm not going to bring that game up again, but I like that design a lot that they use in that one.
I guess. Fair enough.
But yeah, it doesn't really look like Maleficent. It looks more like a more cartoony version of a cartoon character.
It's a Fortnite. It's a Fortnite divide. Yeah, I've talked about this like ages ago, where I don't like Fortnite designs of women because they just make them like
anime.
It's not anime. It's more cartoony more than anything, which is fine. But, like, you have, like, Fortnite does this thing where, like, they have, like, actual good, like, woman fucking, like, characters that are not, like, cartoonified. And it's just, like, bro, just stick to that now at this point. Don't make it ugly. I'm sorry, I'm sounding like one of those, like, what's it called? Like, one of those guys where, like, oh... make them look hot and sexy. It's not exactly like that. Could not give a single flying fuck, but the designs just look ugly as shit. The face it's the same face, like copied and pasted. Add some fucking like variety to it, man. I think it comes to I just need to adjust the audio settings for everything. That's fine. We're in the Discord. We're in the streaming. Why do I have... Or Baymax. This wasn't here before.
What?
Did I get gifted? Why am I getting no notification for a gift?
Yeah.
Hello? Wait, hold on. Gonna restart Fortnite. Because the fucking... Listen. Unless you're keeping quiet, unless whoever's keeping quiet gave me the fuck... Someone is fucking keeping quiet about gifting me the Doberman skin.
I think Fortnite gifted it to you.
Uh-huh,
That's all you
sure.
wanted it.
Any day Fortnite. The only reason I got the Yennefer skin because it's actually like, these skins are not cartoon. Exactly, yeah. I'll literally like go through like my skin list of the characters that I have, and I will literally be like, I like this design, I like this design. This, however, looks cartoony as shit. User fucking bro. Thank you, user DC something.
Damn. If you want to know, it was me. But
Okay, yeah, I was gonna say. Thank you, Sean.
I was glad that it didn't show up, and then it said user, whatever the fuck. Yeah, I respect it.
They really didn't. They didn't really. They yeah, words.
They said fuck me, huh?
Yeah, they really did.
Fuck your money. Man, I'm gonna rejoin you. But yeah, you got bunned apparently.
I got bunned.
I forgot I had John Wick.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm doing this again.
What's
What?
the purple tag? Is the purple tag Capcom? Or is it like video game?
Purple tag is video games.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So we have.
Oh god, Jack.
Yeah. So like Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn is this one's pretty good. It looks pretty nice. This one, yeah, is like realistic, and then you have like Wonder Woman, who looks fucking cartoony as shit, and it's Fortnite-y. Let's see, who else can we compare?
Unfortunately,
yeah,
Chun-Li is actually good.
Huh?
I think Chun-Li's actually is a good skin. It's just unfortunate the Gooners are,
Oh yeah.
you know, the Gooners.
Yeah. Chun-Li's a great skin. Yennefer's great. Like, great face. Let's see. There was someone else who I was like, ugh.
You skip Vesper's husband. You got to go back. I don't know who they are, but
he's not in the comparison. Don't even what?
a real bad one is Elizabeth Swann. That everyone else looks like a person except her.
Okay, yeah, Elizabeth Swann's not great. Elizabeth Swann's not great. Oh god, there was one that I was just like, oh, you know, actually, the new one, from like the battle pass, like the level 100 skin. I'll show it now. This. What is this? What is this? You made like a cool looking character, but it's just got the Fortnite like fucking copy and paste face, and I hate it. It's awful. It's dreadful.
Hey, for context, we did Fortnite a week ago.
We
So
did.
the time before that.
Yeah, but Magnus wasn't here, unfortunately.
And we're glad you're joining now.
The time before Christmas. Alright. Now I need to get myself like the fucking the backpack with the little bun buds. Because that looks fucking phenomenal as well. The doggies.
Yeah, it did say I could gift you the full thing. It only said, like, when I look at offers, it wasn't telling me I can gift that. Now it's saying it, which is unfortunate. You know, it's fine.
It is okay. If you can't the whatever, you don't need to. It's fine. Let's see. What can we do? You know what? He looks like he can wield nunchucks. Alright. 10 gigabytes to go. Legit, the last time I played was the last time you did Fortnite, like ages ago. It was during God's Pass. Oh. Yeah, because, like, yeah, to be honest, I've been playing Fortnite, but, like, let me double check. Alright, YouTube. Let's go on YouTube. Based on VODs. Right. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm tired, but I'm good.
Fair.
Just deleted 300 stuff from my picture so I can screen record.
Jesus Christ. Okay. We did Fortnite, yeah, so we did Fortnite last week, 3 weeks ago, and then 2 months ago. I basically do Fortnite when I don't know what the fuck to do for Community Sunday.
This is the easiest game to play with your community. Other than like Nintendo games, because for some reason Nintendo Online bad, but playing games with community is what it's built for, I guess.
Yeah. Well, I need to, because now I need to wait for the money from Throne to kick in so I can get Mario Kart, and then we could play as a community. That could be
That's
fun.
always a good one.
Yeah.
Everyone with the hate community play Mario Kart. Wait, what? I forgot.
The last time I played Mario Kart, Frost got mad at me. Because I kept throwing blue shell at him.
So that means you were last and he was first.
No.
Well, he was first, and the blue shell is...
No, the blue shell kept hitting him because he was in the way.
Oh!
Oh. Damn, so flash.
Also, a lot of other shells, so
So you're both bad at video games. Good to know.
Yes!
I'll keep that in mind when I play as well.
I don't think I'm bad at Mario Kart. I'm just used to my character, and people hate that I use this character.
I've not been around much because life is not a thing. I don't have much bad people to play it with anymore, so I said waiting and lurking. Listen, I'm always happy to just play Fortnite, like, full stop. So, if you ever want to play it, just let me know. I'm kind of always down for it. Also, ready up, Vespa.
Yes, sorry.
Oh, I thought we were waiting. My bad.
I mean, 10 gigs. I feel like we're gonna die within those 10 gigs.
That's probably fair and accurate.
Yeah. I'm just about to be done. We'll die quicker than you finish the download. Watch.
Well, with me, we're gonna die quick anyway, so.
With me, I'll say, with me, we will die quick as well. It's done. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
God damn it, Olaf.
Oh no.
Get going. Come on.
Okay, well, quick game.
Quick, die.
Spawn die.
To be honest, you
Yeah,
could still
we are
join
on
into
game.
the like group anyway whilst we're playing. You just won't be able to play with us yet.
Hello.
Okay, how do I do my thing? I don't know how to do my thing. How do you emote? What is the button?
If
feel like
you,
I'm
Hello.
oh hello.
Hello.
That
I'm
was
a
so
normal.
insanely funny.
That's
That is not the thing.
it's very like I was like, oh, it's 10 gigabytes. Like that's gonna take maybe a decent, considering like you said 20 gigs like 10
Like,
minutes
5
ago.
minutes ago. Not even. It was less than that.
No, I feel it's been 10 minutes. I'd say.
It takes longer for me to log into the game and get through like the loading screen
Oh my
than
God.
anything else.
Where
why there's
do
so many
we
Snoop
go?
Dogs.
All right,
Where do we
Oh.
go?
because you get a
Yes.
free Snoop Dogg skin.
Yeah.
Oh my god, holy crap. I'm on a Christmas thing.
I
Yeah.
just realized we're all wearing Christmas skins. Well,
I'm not.
It was a Christmas event skin that you got.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, I need you guys to see this.
Wait, does this mean we can officially say that Olaf has his buns out?
Showing your
No.
buns, you know,
No. There's no way I was the first one to touch the ground. That's no shot.
I'm still going down. I'm having too much fun.
A lot. Wait, where you at? Olaf, where you at? At Benny's?
I'm coming.
I don't have a gun yet, but I have many.
Listen.
Okay, I read instead of anonymous, I wrote Wario for some reason. Why? I don't know, but I saw Wario.
Wait, what was this
Warrior
about? What?
Fortnite.
Yeah, instead of anonymous, I read Wario.
As you do, usually.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't
Easily to
know.
confuse. Sword. Sean, do you want sword?
I'm alright. I'm not good with it.
I want a sword.
Pick it up then.
What the
Yeah, let's go. Oh, someone's here?
There's a chest defying gravity. What? Okay, game. I appreciate that.
Someone
someone
in the... Guys, there's someone here.
They're on the roof, I think.
No, on the floor. Execute him.
Nice.
Yeah, the fire mask. I'll take that. There's someone else here as well.
Hey, teammate.
That's better.
Okay, kind of dumb, but I appreciate it.
Execute.
Oh, dead.
What?
Listen, I commit war crimes in Fortnite.
Yeah.
The man got foiled by a door.
Yeah, I think those are bots. I'm gonna be real.
Probably.
A cluster cleaner.
That one for sure. The other one, there's a chance. Oh, they're here.
No, last one.
They're outside.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
It's Jonesy. Yep. Gearhead, sure. That's a real person.
Okay,
Definitely.
good.
For sure. If y'all ever find the floating chest, let me know, because it's still making me laugh.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Oh no.
I'm not
That's
stuck.
not good. What? Did you shoot him? Did you kill him?
Oh yeah, he's dead.
Okay.
Yeah, it was their teammate. It was definitely another bot.
Okay.
I need to. Oh, there's another sword.
Sword.
Whatever.
Jack
Alright.
Skellington with a gun is now the funniest thing to me.
Mm.
We just shoot Santa Claus.
Yeah, you know how it is. It's just that's why I love Fortnite, because the dumbest shit happens, and you
Exact.
don't expect. Oh, so sorry, Magnus. Looks like we didn't die immediately. Now we have to fucking play until we die.
Don't worry about it. I've got all these Christmas presents to open apparently.
Oh yeah, you should
Oh
probably
yeah, you're
open
gonna
them.
get Snoop Dogg. Let's go.
I
I'm
have
sorry,
got
told-
Snoop.
Damn.
The
That was
Christmas
the first
Snoop.
one I opened.
Oh my god.
Oh crap.
It's the first one that you see when you open, like when you come in as well.
It was the last one I opened because I didn't see it because it's in the
Yeah,
front of the
it didn't appear until
That boy.
like only recently. I think like a few days ago.
Oh, they had a sticky bombs back. Let's go.
Did it work?
What are you doing?
My screen recording are finally working.
Yeah, let's go.
Yay! I'm now at the third video.
Out of 7?
9.
9.
I have a big pot for one of the two of you.
Uh,
I'll you first. There you
Can I go up there by there? I need.
drink this. Okay. I think that's the whole place looted? Question mark, maybe?
Basically, we can
Like it.
we can go. Want to go to the floodgate and open them?
The place of nightmares, yeah.
Yeah, it's my favorite places. Other than Tilted Towers, it's like my second favorite place they've ever had, because it's actually hell on earth.
Yeah, Tilted Towers is the tilting. Is the tilted. That there's a reason why they called it Tilted Towers. I'm sorry, I'm fucking struggling with words right now. Apparently.
It's fine. Everyone does sometimes. Some more than others.
Hmm. Motorbike.
I don't even know where we're going.
I don't
Just
as well.
Following.
There's some barrels.
Ooh.
We're gonna
Wait for me.
Oh,
be.
this is pretty. Oh. Okay, what is the button to emote?
If you're using keyboard and mouse, it's if you hold B, and then you
B?
can like.
Oh.
I think that's all of us. Very quickly, let's.
Yeah, it's all of us. Wait, for what's all of us being here or keyboard and mouse?
No, as in like all of us here because of the
Oh, yeah.
barrels.
Don't want to break these.
You enjoying your time with the with the emotes?
No.
There's one there.
There's something up here. Some blue.
Some blue. There's an air one that's over there.
Oh, never
Can I have
mind.
my
I know what it is
son
now.
back? I want my son back.
Yes. Oh, I'm being shut up. I'm being shut up.
They're bad. They're bad. Let's go. I don't know why we're in a bot lobby, but I appreciate it.
I don't mind that. There's a hunting rifle.
Oh, I already have one. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting shot at.
Oh, my son.
They're hiding in a tree. Hit him in the knee for 91. 91 in the head.
He's dead.
90. Damn, I am sad. Hit him 3 times in a row, and I don't even get the kill. The big sad.
There's still one person left.
Yeah. Ooh, take the shot. Unless you want it. Yeah, you can have it. Oh god,
I'm
it's
just. Okay. I don't even know what's good or not.
If anybody has sniper ammo I could borrow, I'd appreciate it.
Well, I'm
People
using a
fighting.
yeah, like over in that direction.
That's where I was headed. So luckily,
We do need to go that way because it's
storm. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm still going, but now I'll have both of you with me. So. Yeah, I think they are at Foxy. Oh, they're on the water and on the bridge.
I see them. One's down. Damage opponents with pistol. This is not a pistol. What the fuck? Oh, okay. Apparently, that's a little bug.
What the fuck?
Using the hunting rifle apparently counts for using a pistol.
Challenges? Hey, that's good. More damage. I suck. I'm going in.
Good job.
Damn, they really sucked.
There's also another person shooting at you.
Yeah. Hit him 29, hit him 58. I think I broke their overshield.
He's down.
There's
Someone's
another person.
rezzing.
I don't have any ammo for this. Tab.
There's also more fighting going on over there.
I'm going. Downed him. This is Matt, you know, definitely not another bot. Let's go.
There's also shooting behind us as well.
We're in no man's land. I kind of appreciate it. It helps me get rid of my raging bloodlust. I love it.
Let's go.
Person right there. Still there.
One's down. Two dead.
And 91.
Where's coming from? Oh, there we go.
Oh my god. I hit him again. He's
Oh
still
my
not
God.
cracked. How?
He's
I'm-
down.
Thank fucking god. Holy.
Someone next to
Swear I'm
us
not
here.
normally that bad. Oh, I fell. Oh god, they're in the walls.
Peraí, deixa eu ver se eu tiver. Hello.
I'm down. There's a guy over here.
Help me, my son.
Nice. Go. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm dying. I'm dying. Please.
Oh, I thought you were gonna crawl towards me.
Please.
Gosh, I thought you were gonna crawl towards me a little bit. My bad.
That's not the video I want.
What was that?
I stopped that for sure. I am glad it did not do it.
Okay, let's revive Vespa. There's some golden loot here. Quickly, let's get those. Only shotgun. Mini parts. I'll take that real quick.
God, why am I only finding Onis? I hate the shotgun so much.
It is
So-
awful.
Yeah. That's the only way I can describe it.
Void. Oh, big shield power. I'll take
Avoid, avoid, avoid.
that. Okay, Vespa, you drink this after me.
Have any Anybody found
And
health
then-
heals? I found band-aids. There you go. Speak of the devil.
Actually, there's medkit over here. Also, we need to get in the zone. Yeah, we do.
Well, oh, there's a slurp truck. We don't even need to heal.
It's fine. I'm healing anyway. All right, come on, Vesper. Let's go.
I'm a Maui.
A bum it.
A bumbo it, a bumbo it. Wee, bumbo it. Alright. Vesper, come here.
Wait.
Beat it up together. And we're healed.
There you go.
This whole area is unlooted, by the way.
Okay.
So, if we need anything, we can do that.
I think I'm fine for now.
I'm just trying to find something other than an Oni shotgun. Even a legendary
that's
one
fair.
is not good.
Yeah, I don't like the double barrel shotgun. It's not great. It's not great. I will say we need.
Purple assault rifle.
Let's move, Sean, because we need to.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm in the water.
Yeah, the zone's closing. However, like it's gonna start to close. I'm like pretty close to the end.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm good. I'm not sure about y'all. Like y'all can leave if you have a car.
Vesper,
Yeah, sorry.
going the other way. Come on. Then.
There we go.
Only thing I appreciate about the Oni is that it does 100 no matter where you shoot somebody. But 2 shots is not enough to kill anybody.
No. Oh, that's not going
Unless-
that way. Okay, we
Unless
need
somehow
to.
you don't have shields in this game when they're everywhere. They're fighting the boss.
Oh, this was cool.
Oh, they are fighting the boss. Should we flank them, maybe?
I downed one.
Oh, okay.
the boss
You're
came for
already
me.
up there.
It's fine. I'm good. I'm not even worried about the boss. I'm just worried about getting kills. Oh, you're here. Oh, nice.
Wait, I'm lost again. Oh no. Oh no.
Ah, I'm down.
But did a boss kill you or did the people?
No, the people.
Oh shit.
Oh,
downed
you guys
one.
are up there.
Yeah, we're up there.
Wait,
We can. I'm gonna try and fly away. I don't know. They wanted me. Well, they wanted us specifically. Let's go.
All right, it's up to Vesper. Come on.
Oh god, really?
Yep.
Right.
All eyes on you.
Damn, do I need to go up
All
or I
eyes
just
on
can?
me.
You could go up if you want.
Hey, it's up to you.
But I'm gonna die. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's a revive one right there.
No, you need to collect our
Damn.
thingies.
I almost.
Also, the zone is closing.
No, no, no.
I just go to the zone. Just go to the zone. Don't bother with the
You can
island.
use that. You can use that to fly, but yeah.
Okay, I need to get in the car. Oh wait, dale tú.
Well, this one's on me. I'll take the blame. Should have probably.
Should have probably waited.
Yeah, we killed 2 people. We're down 2 people, but it's fine. We got. Vesper's got this.
Oh wait.
Oh wait, there's only
I'm-
5 people left.
Alright, now
Vesper, do you have
just
7 kills? No, I have 7 kills. Okay.
I don't know.
I saw 7, and I got very confused.
Okay, how
Okay.
do I get out of the car?
hold E.
Okay.
Hold the button you used to get in, and you got back in. Let's go.
I'd say be careful because the people that killed us are coming this way towards you. So
They are here already. That orange circle means they're like around you. And that thing right there can heal you, your health that you're missing if you need it.
Yeah.
I just realized you don't have an assault rifle, and I respect it.
there's an assault rifle next to you.
I
Instead
don't
of
even know what that is. This?
yeah,
Mini pew gun.
big powerful pew gun. They're fighting
the
each
last two
other.
Teams. We got this.
I'm hiding.
Fair.
I'm not
There are 3 people left. You got
Valley
it.
so-
strat.
3v1.
So it's you against 3.
Unless you want to go back in the store and make it our cards.
No.
I'd say go towards the.
My son? You stop talking.
The storm's
The zone is
storm's
closing.
moving.
Also, they're gonna be like next to you. We're gonna be running side to side to them.
It's closing the next.
Oh, there
Oh,
they
they're
are.
right there.
Make sure you aim.
Yep, that's what I'm trying to do.
Is that Chewbacca? No.
Oh!
That's Dr. Doom.
Oh my god.
Good try.
Go second, please.
I tried.
Yeah,
Second
good try.
was good.
You're all good. GG's.
Good.
bad.
You're good. Oh. Oh, Magnus. Thank you for the bun buds.
You are more than welcome.
Oh, you invited me to.
Did
Oh,
I
God.
invite you?
Yeah, you invited me. Unbelievable. Terrible.
Yeah,
Alright,
Yeah.
alright, gamers.
Yeah.
Join
don't
in,
know
join
how
in,
to...
join in here.
No,
Promoted to party
No.
leader?
no, don't want that. There we go.
Fair enough.
I'm terribly sorry. It's been
No,
a long time since I played game.
Listen, it's okay. It's okay. I get it. You want to be the leader. That's completely fine.
No, never.
Okay. Is that all of us then? We quadding?
My screen recording are not working anymore. I'm mad.
Oh my god.
Wait, you asked how many picture I have earlier. I have 1,597 picture and 511 videos.
Yeah, and they're all like
That's not what I was expecting.
10-minute videos.
No. They're 7 minutes video.
Okay, and then you have your edits as well as.
Yes. And I have meat in there. Because I don't delete it.
Wait, how does Doberman look like with with the Air Jordans? Awful. He looks awful with them. Okay, there we go.
Oh god, I forgot you can get kicks now.
Yeah, you can.
Oh god. Need to do this at the same time.
Yeah. You give it a countdown.
Hang on. Oh, sugar. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, close.
Oh, we're slightly out of sync, but it's kind of funny.
This is the only dance I have.
Well, you also have the This Is Halloween, but
Yes, I
Yeah.
do.
Listen, you need to kidnap the Sandy Claus and put him in a bag.
Yes. It's been maybe 5 months since I watched this movie. It's been too long.
I thought you were gonna say something longer, but fair, I guess.
No, I used to watch it every month.
Uh, you know, it's a good movie. I don't think I could do it every month, but I think it's been 4 years since I've seen it.
Okay, you don't know how many times I watched Hamilton.
Same. I've watched Hamilton 3 times this year. Not 3 times the past like 4 months, I should say.
I used
then I
to
listen
watch
to it
it
while I'm
every.
working.
I used to watch it every week.
Fair. It's a good musical.
I mean, I'd have to admit I watch Twister once a week, but once a month, but I love that movie. It's terrible.
I used
I love
to.
it. It's terrible.
I used to watch, although not as frequently as you guys. I used to do a Saw marathon every year. Vesper, you jumped off so quick. No.
I know. That's why I'm going on my sleigh.
Yeah, I used to do a Saw marathon every year, but I stopped doing that recently.
I never watched a Saw movie because I'm scared.
Don't watch Saw. The only reason why I watch Saw is because I want to turn off my brain and feel something.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
Oh, there's so many people going here.
You want real family-friendly content? Watch Equalizer 2.
Not Equalizer.
I need to ask my mom if she saw.
Die, Morty.
Excuse me.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
I hear gunfire. Where is it? Where are you?
I'm on my way. I'm going on the roof.
Making my way.
Making my way
Downtown.
downtown.
Walking
Walking
fast.
fast.
Who's
I
this
don't know
person?
what
I'm
this is.
homebound. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. And I need
Hey,
you.
fuck you,
Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na.
And I miss you.
Ba-na-na-na-na-na.
Batman.
And now I wonder.
Batman?
I killed the
Hey.
Batman. Oh, I didn't realize Vesper went down. Oh no. I don't know where you are.
I didn't
I
fall
got you,
off the
Vespa.
roof.
Yeah, I got you, I got
didn't.
you.
I didn't fall off the roof. That is not true. That is totally not true.
That is
What
is
happened?
misinformation.
CG.
No.
Oh, I got pulled both by a full team. Snoop Dogg's killing me with a sword. Rip.
I needed to pew.
I downed Harley Quinn though. They're reviving Harley Quinn on my body.
I'm coming.
You're coming home. There she goes.
Yeah.
I think that was Batman's teammates. Yes.
Fuck you.
But was that them all?
No.
Snoop Dogg's still alive. He's right there.
Oh, sugar.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Snoop Dogg has a sword. Oh.
No, don't reboot. Don't reboot. Don't reboot.
No, maybe you should reboot. Because if I come back, might be able to help. But also,
Okay. But
So do
Okay.
we do it?
do it. Do it.
Oh
do it.
god.
Do it.
I think Snoop Dogg might come over here though. He probably heard it.
No, you don't hear a thing.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh,
okay.
he heard it. He definitely heard it.
Okay,
Damn.
good. Good try. Good try. Good try. I was gonna say we should have we should have waited until Vesper got like all of the cards, until then they could revive us all. But
Oh, I gotta pew pew.
ready up, video gamers.
Pretty up, bucko.
Yeah, but nothing is loading for me.
Oh.
Oh, did you go back to the lobby?
Yeah, yeah, that's what it did.
There we go. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh, never mind. We're good now. I don't think I've ever seen this screen where there's 3 at the bottom and then one of this Wait, no, you're spectating.
Let's go to the
I'm so
lobby.
confused. Yeah.
Let's just
Yeah,
go back to the lobby.
Bad game alert. Wii U, Wii U.
Will. Will. Hey gamers, what are you?
Network.
What are you guys?
Okay, I think
Oh yeah.
my game is not working. I got a network connection error.
We're good. We were going back to the lobby. It should be fine now.
Matchmaking error. Matchmaking. I don't understand. I think my game is not liking me.
Oh,
That's not good.
No. Am I there?
yes, you're here now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We're just 3 of the Doberman. I think that's the name of the skin.
Doberman. Do.
That's the angriest Russian bottle dance I've ever seen in my life.
Wait, hold on. I need to equip a skin. What was I gonna say? I
Oh
was
no.
gonna say something.
No.
Well, I think I'm gonna go because dinner is ready anyway. So.
Okay.
I need
Have a
to
good one,
go.
Vesper.
You have a good food.
Thank you.
Good
Good
night,
games.
Vesper. Bye.
Bye bye. Okay. So now we have 3. Wait, I'm sorry, Vespa. I'm gonna have to kick you out of the team. Since we're going as trios now. Oh! Base! Base jump scare. Wait, hold on.
Actually looks like my old base. Except I didn't have candy canes.
Mm.
I've just got that song out of my head. I hate you so much right now. Took me a moment to realise what it was. I was like, oh no, I've just got it out of my head.
Now, listen, I'm so sad that it doesn't play from that fucking. It takes like 10 seconds to get to that point. It's so upsetting.
He's
Alright.
birding the wording.
Bird, the bird, the bird, the bird.
I really love the idea of Lewis Hamilton rocking around with mantis arms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fucking augmented himself into like cyberpunk.
He just overtakes someone and
Yeah.
sticks it in a wheel.
He gets taken over by Johnny Silverhand. Let's jump. I just realized the Doberman has loafers.
Oh,
At least I'm pretty sure he does. It looks like it.
It might just be his feet.
I don't know.
Oh, oh my god.
Now you got it.
did it take you that long?
Yeah, it's
It's not a great pun.
Oh, okay, you went for that. Never mind.
Hey, let's go. My bad.
Me
Didn't
would
realize we were both
very,
going for the same window.
me would very much like something, anything right now.
Me too. Oh, someone's already shooting.
Me.
Well, up for it.
Hey, guess what?
I'm gonna save my big pot.
Got him.
Nice. You need a
I
gun,
still
boy.
got 6 splash potions.
Well. Can I borrow one?
No. Well, I'm waiting until we
I've got
have
some
the full
splashes
group.
as well.
Okay, well, good. Well, let's all get together as a group and meet up and splash around, as they say.
There's someone above.
Oh, yep, they're on me.
Nice.
Well, yeah.
Hello. Alright, come on, Sean.
Honk honk.
There's someone else here.
Nice.
Alright,
The
good.
loudest emote in the game. For no reason.
Alright, come on. Give me other weapons, please. Literally anything else apart from one whole shotgun.
I've got an SMG here that you can have.
I got an
I also have one you can have.
The Q to drop. Somebody's in a car.
I hear him.
I think they're running away.
I don't know, I see him.
Oh.
Oh, somebody just used the zip line.
That was me.
Okay.
Oh, so are you the one fighting? You are.
Oh, there's 2 Typhoon Blades here. If anyone wants
Nice.
one.
Yes, please.
Oh!
I am on like at 4 HP right now.
Medkit at the back. I don't even see where they are. Oh, never mind. I see him now.
I'm okay. I'm just gonna stay down here for a minute while you guys deal. So.
I hit him for 80. It's on fire, but he still can move with it. A person ran up on him. Oh, that might be their teammate. Unfortunate.
Alright, I jugged, so I should be okay for a little bit.
There was a med kit back there if you need it.
Yeah. I'm back in like where we landed for a sec, just while I grab.
I don't think it's a fight we should take because they're insane. Like, they're not missing shots from a mountain away. I respect it. Downed one. The bad one approached.
Alright, that was me pinging by accident.
Oh, good. Teammate's on his way.
Car.
Yep.
Rip.
He's like 2-shot at Snoop Dogg.
I just knocked him.
Nice. Wait, was I getting rezzed?
Yeah.
Oh, another team. Run. I'll get behind this tree.
Oh, I'm down. He's on the... I think that's the last of the guys.
Probably. That makes more sense of how they were hitting all those shots from that far away. Oh.
Good try. Gold fucking rifle. God damn.
Let's go, John Wick.
Right, ready up. Got like chocolate straws, and I'm debating whether to eat them or not. I also have cheesecake. Fuck. We might be like against like really good people because I farmed the battle pass a little bit.
Tisk.
Fair.
And by a little bit, I mean a lot since I'm level 100. And I forget that. This shit, like, fucking skill-based match makes you.
I've not played a shooting game in like a very long time.
I would say same. However, I've only been playing shooter games recently.
Where
Okay.
dropping? Ah,
Because I've just been playing... Because I played Stalker 2, obviously. I've only started playing, like, what's it called? Astrobot the other day. I've been playing
that
fucking... Fun.
There.
I'm enjoying it a lot.
That's good.
Obviously Call of Duty Black Ops. Because mind-numbing shoot game.
I'm still really tempted to get that.
Don't get it on Game Pass if you don't spend money on it. Just get Game
Yeah,
Pass.
I
And
think I've got like a couple of months for like £1 Game Pass somewhere
yeah,
from when I bought my headphones.
you should 100% use Game Pass. Don't fucking spend money on getting the game.
People are chasing me already.
I think I downed a bot. Whoa! What you?
Get executed. I do apologize.
Yep, above. Hitting 23.
Okay, I found a gold shotgun.
Nice. Oh.
Bum 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 bum. Ah.
Oh god, I see him.
There's a guy behind you as well.
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
this.
I'm fucking reloading. Why? Ah! Ugh.
There's two people got on ping. There's one coming towards me now.
Oh, okay. Legendary shotgun is not good, apparently. That's good to know.
Alright,
Bad
good
can opening
try.
noises.
Did 4 damage. I respect it. Okay. Well, my bad.
My bad we're getting matched against these people.
Terrible.
I know.
Terrible.
Well, listen. Once I get Mario Kart, this won't be an issue.
I've had
then
Mario Kart for Mario Kart for a
Mario
really long
Kart.
time. Mario Kart. Because my friend was like, oh, we'll play! And then they just disappeared off the face of the earth because they had a kid, and I was like, okay, fair enough.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I was like, okay, that's fine. I'll just wait till your kid's older and then just smash them in Mario Kart, it's fine.
Yeah. But then there'll be new Mario Kart at that point.
Oh, don't.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can't wait to get Mario Kart, so then we could do that for Community Sunday potentially. I would love to do Mario Party, but like the problem with that would be that's a whole stream. that is a whole stream, and it'll be basically just 3 other people, and that's it.
Oh, did you lobby?
Yeah, I lobbied because
Oh.
it didn't look like we were looking for a game because it looked like Sean wasn't readied up.
My bad. I'm ready to. I get back. I'll back out of that.
Okay.
intro.
I haven't even looked at the battle pass. I'm not gonna lie.
There's Baymax.
The cat is cute.
Cat is very cute. Like I said, there's Baymax from Big Hero 6.
There he is, the man himself.
There's the big guy.
The man, the myth, the Michelin man-looking dude.
Oh, good luck, you two. I'm not there. So,
Oh no!
Great.
good game. Good game.
We could just leave.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Just return to lobby. It's not the end of the world. Like, I don't care about stats or anything in this fucking game. I could indeed give a single fuck about that.
I only play this game for fun now. There's
Yeah.
no point getting serious with it.
Exactly. Oh, God. Alright. We're all here. Let's fucking go. Let's get chocolate strudels whilst we're here. And also not disturb Nugget in the meantime.
Dumb question, because my brain's tiny. Were you there during the whole J thing with saying whenever Rose adds people, I'm gonna be a J name just to fuck with everybody in that game? Because I will
don't-
be Jock.
When Vex said it, yes, potentially. But
This was at the end, because me and Rose have talked about it. If a spot ever does open, I will be Jock just to fuck with everybody. 'Cause
I will
that's
hate
the
you.
J name.
I will actually hate you.
I respect it, you know? Sometimes you gotta hate somebody.
So, to give perspective, where I'm in a D&D campaign where 3 of the 6 characters, their names start with J.
Yeah, there's Jack,
God.
Joey, and Joshua.
Joshua.
Oh my god. That's diabolical.
That is fucking bad. It's really bad. I hate it. I fucking despise it.
If it makes you feel better, Emily was also almost a J name, being Jasmine,
Great.
and then changed because of all the J's. So, that's a homie. Well, I would add more just to be a dick. Hey, at least Anthony stands out. Other than, well, I'm not going to talk about what Anthony does on stream, but other than that,
Well, that's fine.
It
not
would be
like-
diabolical if you just got nicknamed Joni.
See what you...
I mean, one of the characters basically did change their name to Oak instead of a J name, because no one could say their name right.
That's fair.
Because it's fucking confusing with how many J names there are.
Oh, I've got some splash.
Pog.
Get the crap out of me, I'm not gonna lie.
My bad. I heard a chest and I had to break a wall.
The jingly chest, is that an important one?
Yes. Yeah, I think you get like a purple thing guaranteed.
I can't bloody
The
open it, because
jingly
apparently it's too high. Ooh, nice.
Hey, got a purple assault rifle.
Good, because this one is shit. How do I drop it? I've forgotten how to drop.
You have to go to the inventory and
Oh,
I got a
God,
gold.
manually do it.
I get a gold SMG for Christmas. Let's go.
Christmas.
Oh, and a blue SMG.
Do you wanna bunch up? If I can get over a wall, that'd be real great.
You guys do it. You guys do it. I'll...
I mean, you can
Are you-
also use them.
It wouldn't fill me up because you'd have to, and then
Yeah, I'm,
Because they
like,
give
10
20.
short to be full.
yeah.
Ah, don't worry about it. It's fine.
You know, it'd be even funnier, Sean,
Hmm?
if you name a character like with a J name. However, for the majority of the time, you use a different name. But then, like, you get revealed when we like do like a little scooping that your name starts with a J.
God, your legal name's
yeah.
a J name.
Oh, listen, I can't do a French accent, but I'm gonna be a Frenchman named Jacques, but he's not gonna go by Jacques until it's revealed. I've already made the plans for whenever Rose has more people,
Oh my god.
or when Jordan gets picked for.
You could be
I'm not
called
joking.
Juan.
I'm joking.
You could be called Juan. Not
Von?
with a J, but the J is silent.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Juan.
Did you say that is?
Oh, Juan.
What, that,
Juan.
I thought you said John, and that's slang from where I'm.
John.
That is actual slang from where I'm from. So it does fit.
It's just my terrible accent. Just, I can't pull off other accents.
Terrible. That's
Terrible.
incorrect.
Right, where are we
To
at?
be honest, this is the first time I think I'm hearing you speak, Magnus.
I think it is.
It might be. Like, we're actually, this is the first time we're actually speaking to each other.
Conversifying.
That is not in the chat.
Yeah, how desperately northern I am.
I've heard more Northern.
I could lay it on thick, but I'm not gonna.
Oh, no. It's people fighting.
No.
Well, Splash Potions also were being shot at.
We are being shot at. Oh! Over there. Oh, I pinged it and then didn't ping it. Unpinged, apparently.
They're bots. They're real bad. If they, you know what, they're real. They were not bots. I will not.
I was gonna say, it felt like they were real.
Until you got close, and it's like, well.
Ooh, what's this?
Oh, got another team.
Yep, they're on the high ground.
There you go.
Oh.
There's a car behind us.
Yep, I'm getting shot in the ass cheek.
There.
Oh, I'm down! I'm just gonna hide behind this rock.
They're coming.
Oh, well, you put me down. Oh, there's the other team. Let's go.
Oh, goddamn.
Have the sword, man.
I'm gonna grab some food. I might be back. But enjoy the rest of the stream if I'm not.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy
night.
food. Okay. It's just us now, Magnus.
Yeah.
Well, we got this.
I apologize. I need to get my game face on.
No, you lock in. Lock the fuck in.
It's been a long time since I locked in.
Well,
Too much
today's-
Stardew Valley.
What, you're telling me don't lock in Stardew Valley?
Only when I'm like min-maxing crops.
Well, imagine you're min-maxing crops right now, but in Fortnite.
So I need to, basically you're telling me I need to buy a massive amount of pumpkins. Pumpkin seeds. Okay, cool. Not me delaying the end of that sentence because I couldn't remember the word pumpkin.
Relatable. Very relatable. Listen, just imagine the guys, you know, the guns that you pick up are the pumpkin seeds, and when you shoot at enemies, it's you planting the seeds. Just imagine that, and there you go. You're locked in.
It does kill me that they put Roscoe as the backpack for this skin set.
Wait, can I pet him?
I wish you could! It would be so good!
Because I know for a fact that you can, like, pet some backpacks. Especially, like, dog ones.
I want to be able to pet him when I'm on the surfboard.
I don't think you're able to do that, unfortunately.
It would be so good, though.
It would be. Where should we go?
I don't know. How about here again?
Yeah. Make sure you thank the bus driver.
I have already. I always thank the bus driver. Cheers,
Good.
drive.
You're from the north, so you have to.
The scary thing about living in a very small town is the fact that I know all of my bus drivers by name.
Oh my fucking god. That's crazy. I never got to that fucking point. God damn.
Oh, the guy who drives the route into my town, like into town from where I live, is called Dave.
Dave.
We love Dave, because Dave doesn't charge me for getting on the bus.
You know them by name. To the point where, thanks Dave, for not...
I've known him since I was 15, so...
Oh my god.
Yeah. Well, let's say small town.
You're not wrong, it is a small town.
Teeny.
I currently live in a small town as well, however, I've lived in London for like a majority of my time, so...
I need to go back to London.
You need to go back to London, you say?
They have currently got an F1 exhibit on at the moment. Of course I need to go back to London.
Of course. God, I need to...
I need a gun that isn't ass.
I need to fucking... I forgot what I was gonna say. Doesn't matter. Never mind.
It mustn't have been important.
Maybe. Potentially not. Someone's being shot at?
Oh, thank God.
There's people on... up top.
Okey-doke. I've got a spare potion.
Oh no, they're here.
Oh no, God. Hang on. I'm on my way.
One guy down.
I'm on high ground. Oh yeah, shotgun. That was clever. Oh my God. His shield's cracked. There we go. Sorry, I literally yeeted the bloody
the potion.
God.
Listen. It'll hurt them. It'll splash and hurt them. That's how it works.
That would be so funny if it did work like that.
Imagine.
Tried to shoot them with a shotgun straight away. Like, yeah, that's gonna work.
Oh, I'll take that.
Is that you?
What is what?
Oh, it was you moving around. There's a...
Yeah. Oh, there's shots.
No, there's Slurp. There is
Ooh.
juice.
I'm coming.
Loose.
Juice. Juice me up.
I can hear gunshots though.
Yeah. Should we try and go towards that?
Yeah.
So there's nothing else we can really
I
do.
have 42 shots in my good gun. Hang on a sec.
Oh, they're over here.
Oh god.
Johnny Silverhand!
Oh no. Oh no. Please don't like be down to. Oh, he won last round as well. I see him. I see them both. I have the aim of a potato.
He has a fucking. Oh, okay.
Yeah. yeah
Legendary
well done.
SMG. What a.
I feel like it's getting sweaty in here.
It is. It is. It's been getting
It's not
like.
that great.
It's been getting sweaty ever since I fucking got level 100 for this shit. I'm so sorry. This is like my fault.
It happens.
Not much you can do.
I find it daft though that they put the higher leveled people in the battle pass against higher level people up.
Yeah.
What? Wait, are your biceps made out of croissant?
I don't know. I can't look at myself.
Croissant. You can't really. Croissant.
Well, my tail is a fucking like cinnamon roll.
It was the little puppy buns. It kills me.
It's so good. I have like few like bread plushies that resemble that, but imagine if I fucking cosplayed the guy. Let's go to
I would very
Hopeful
much
Heights.
like to see you dressed as a cinnamon bun.
Oh, I would love to. However, that is not enough. I mean, I don't know how to do that and how to work on that, so no chance. And also, it would probably cost a bucket load.
I have to get like one of those terrible Sheen cosplay
Yeah.
outfits. So it's just a big, poorly rendered cinnamon bun.
Yeah, they have to be like a bit like fucking, you know, Sea Dog and his fucking like cosplay videos or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, he would. It would be exactly that. Speaking of fucking, I watched this video about like him sending like the like bad cosplays to like actual good cosplayers and stuff. That was fun. Give me.
I saw a video earlier today that actually made me incredibly happy, which is it was a Pop-Tarts mascot,
Mhm.
but he had like the Pop-Tart. What's it called? The thing on the Pop-Tart, the packet, and he ripped himself out of the packet. It's the greatest thing I've ever seen. It was so good.
I can't believe you're saying this and you're not gonna send it. You have to send it now.
I will find it later and see if I can. Well, I'll see if I can find it later. I think one of my friends retweeted it, and I'll send it to you on. I'll send it to you in the Discord because I don't really do Twitter that much anymore.
Yeah, that's fine.
I can hear downstairs.
Legendary pot.
If you find another chug, a large one.
Yes, we'll let you know.
Like, Big chest. Ooh, banged head. Haha,
Gamer.
reload weapons faster. That's nice. Me
Gamer,
like.
here you go.
Thank.
Alright, time to lock in. I have a gold sniper. No, I need to lock the fuck in.
One shot, 27 misses.
Just struggle to fucking hit anything at this point.
I mean, I desperately need to get my eyes tested, so that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it.
I don't have an excuse. I should be wearing sunglasses. Oh, sunglasses? I should be wearing sunglasses. I should be wearing glasses when I'm, like, at the computer.
Tisk tisk.
No.
Oh! Fell through the roof, you know what? That's fair.
Deserved.
Yeah. Judges you, immediately gets karma.
Let's get the car. Oh wait. hold
You
on.
being polite and opening the door.
Yeah, I have to be. I was raised to be polite.
You can drive because I am terrible.
Cyberpunk car.
The irony of me being terrible at driving in this game with the skin I'm wearing is not lost on me.
You know what they should fucking do? They should have like added like a Formula 1 car as one of the car models. That would have been great.
You can't really get two people in a Formula 1 car though.
They'll make
Unless
it
they
work.
unless they sat on the back.
I feel like they would make it work. Somehow. Maybe. Unless you turn the motorbike into the fucking into a Formula 1 car.
Wouldn't be terrible.
No. Anyone here?
The walking Santa scared the crap out of me because I was like, oh my god, it's people, but it's not. It's just. Oh,
There are shots.
there are. Is it under us though?
Shaq!
Oh my god. I'm gonna open this chest. What's not worth it?
Can't believe I met Shaq. Shaquila O'Neal.
Do we want to go downstairs and see if they were downstairs?
We could. Porta potty. Oh, okay. This is a teleport one.
Ah, I have no idea where you are now. Oh god, you are very, very far away. I can
I
hear
am.
a big chest. But it's above. Hello, legendary.
Leg.
got?
Legendary.
Fury assault rifle, that'll do.
I'm coming back to you right now. Oh, never mind. It's one way. Alright.
Alright, I'm coming.
Oh, hey, there you are.
Hello. Oh, you fell down hole.
Yeah. Getting car. It's okay. I'm doing my driving lessons. I know how to drive a car. I think. Not yet.
I did nearly buy myself a wheel for Christmas.
Oh. No.
Purely for truck sim.
Oh my god. I still need to get myself a fucking truck wheel.
Somebody's definitely been here, chests opened.
You ready to ramp? Whoa!
Holy shit, we did the flip!
Whoa! That's crazy. I didn't know I could do that.
Take that, GTA.
You can't do that in GTA. Probably could do that in Saints Row. Just not GTA.
Downstairs, there I can see people. There.
Where the fuck is the pink? Oh, there you are.
There it is.
I see
Up.
them.
Oh.
No.
I have just ziplined down, sorry.
You good?
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just shooting at the guy.
Oh, was that you shooting?
Yeah.
Alright, I thought you were getting shot in the ass.
No. That is not ready and my head that is killing my head. That's not good. Should probably rest.
Oh, I'm sorry, Vesper.
Should probably rest and relax a little bit.
They went this way, and I have a horrible feeling they've got high ground.
They do have high ground.
Either that, or they're in the little cabin.
They might be.
Oop, I didn't mean to ping that. Sorry. That's
Well, I'm gonna go to the high ground, see if I can see anything.
That's the division coming into play there a little bit for me.
Don't
There. Got one. Over here.
don't mention that name, game name, ever.
Got one.
Don't worry.
Nice.
There's people on the train.
Look.
No, never mind.
High ground.
Lit.
Two on high ground. I'm gonna be downed.
One's down.
I've got 16 health, so I'm gonna loot around this way a little bit.
I'm gonna go towards them because I think they're rezzing.
Okey-doke. I'm gonna quickly grab one of these. Did they res?
Probably.
Shit.
Yeah, they did. Damn, he is lit.
Yeah. He has a... I don't think I've got a chance to get this.
He's healing or he's shielding. He's rezzing. He's rezzing.
I don't know what this does, but I'm gonna use it. Okay, that's what that does. That's terrible. Oh, the unit,
try.
get away!
Oh,
Never mind. 13th.
not bad. NB. Non-binary.
Terrible. I thought I had time to like do one of those, get my gun out, shoot him, but no. Shotgun to the kneecaps.
Yeah, shotguns are pretty big, pretty good. I want to finish it before the new year, which is in 2 days, but I have 6 videos left. You've got this. I believe in you.
Let's see if I can find that video for you. This is not the way I wanted to find out that Jimmy Carter had died.
Who?
The US president who was like 100.
Oh, Jimmy Carter.
Yeah.
Rep,
Thanks, Twitter.
I guess.
I don't remember who posted it.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Get that ass out of my face, bro. They fucking was shoving their ass in my face. I cannot believe this. Go down.
Yes. Okay, I've not got enough time to look for it.
It's
I'll find
fine.
it later.
It's fine. Well, you got time.
I'm just trying to remember who posted it, and that is hard work.
Yeah. Someone's flying in with us.
Yeah. Unsure if bot or not. That look botty to you?
No, that's an actual. They're actually like looking back at us and stuff. Good fight.
Make sure that there's no more of them.
No, it was just them, I think.
I did not want to jump off that just in case it is not high enough for me to load.
Right, there's a little boss here.
Yeah.
If you wanna fight them with me.
Yeah, give me a sec, sorry. I went in the wrong direction. I saw something glittery and was like, ooh, shiny.
It's the autism speaking.
I am also getting felined right now as well. There is a cat screaming at me.
Cute.
He's enormous!
Yeah.
He looks like Yojimbo from Final Fantasy.
Fucking nerd. What the fuck? She could have said Yoshimitsu or anyone.
Ow! Shit. Oh, that cuts straight through that tree. Come on.
There he goes. Good fight.
I did nothing because I ran out of ammo for my SMG.
Oh, here you go. There you are.
There's
There's a med kit.
thank you very much. Let's see what else. I've got.
Take the one.
Thanks. I'll keep hold of it for a second, just check if there's a little one over here first.
Yeah. That is
Is
A-okay.
this hunting rifle? No. Oh, cool.
Did you find minis?
Yeah, I found a splash and
There's minis here.
I've done this now.
Too late.
I'll keep the splashes.
Ooh. There's a fire boon here.
Oh, the rapid reload.
Yeah. And more splashes here as well.
Ooh, it's a nice assault rifle. Don't mind if I do.
Might do like 2 more games and I'll be done for today.
Yeah, that's fair.
I feel like with Community Sunday it's become to the point where I only play like for 2 hours or maybe a little bit more. I'm just like done.
It's a social activity, and social batteries are
Oh yeah.
fast to drain.
Yeah.
I get it. I did say to a friend I might do some hell diving tonight.
Oh, Pog. I need to fucking get back into Helldiving.
Oh god, the new faction is amazing.
Yeah, I need, when I saw the trailer for it I mean, we watched it on fucking stream.
Yeah.
They enjoyed it.
I logged in after stream, like after seeing who won Game of the Year. I'm afraid I did just leave the stream like, nope, don't like that.
Fair enough. Hey, don't disrespect Astrobot like that. It's actually a good game.
Astrobot, but you know how loyal I am to Balatro, so...
I know. I too. But I don't mind Astrobot winning. Because, listen, if Elden Ring was gonna win, I would have been very upset. Good fight. Yeah, if like, what's it called? If Elden Ring was gonna... Yeah, Erdtree would have won, I would have been very upset.
Same. The fact that they changed the categories just so they could put DLCs in is crap.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing as well, because, like, I was hoping, like, Black Myth Wukong would have won, but then also it turns out that the people who created it were kind of lunatics, I guess you could say.
Assholes. I wrote my speech 2 years ago. It's like, okay. And?
Your point? I get like being proud of your work, etc., etc. However, come on, be for fucking real. Like 1 second.
Everybody I've heard that's played it have been like, it's good, but it's like nothing to write home about.
Yeah, I want to play it just so I can like see and experience it myself. But like I've heard, because it's like it's it takes the kind of like Soul game formula and kind of like, I guess, makes it more cinema and very much more linear, which isn't bad. I like that.
No. Yeah.
Because that's one of the reasons why I stopped playing Elden Ring, because it was like it being open world and it like
I
doesn't.
hate gunfire. Well, I see gunfire. Sorry.
Using the fucking it's over there on ping. They're gonna have to come here, pretty much.
Yeah. Lie in wait behind a rock.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I quit Elden Ring, is because I despise like the open world and how big it was, and with no like hints on where to go.
Yeah, I quit after like the first area. I just had no interest in that game.
Yeah. Which, listen, if people love Elden Ring, fair enough. Unfortunately, it wasn't for me. I see them dead over there.
Yep. There's one up on the top there as well, right there. You see him jumping behind the tree.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I kept my rifle now.
We could get on the train. That's
Yeah.
coming right now. Just don't stand in front of it.
Yeah. Oh god, no. Yep, I see them. They're moving along. Do we want to get off here or wait further in?
No, let's wait until this chest opens. I also got an objective to basic. Oh, I'm being shot at.
Hitting for 150. They're going this way.
He's not done. Alright.
Yeah. I thought he might. Am I hearing footsteps or am I just batshit? I think somebody's
just-
on the train. Maybe. Maybe not. No, it's alright, I was going batshit, it's fine.
Uh. Alright.
Gonna have to get off soonish. Oh no, we're good, we've got time.
We got time. I also have an objective here, so or like on the train.
Oh, we're getting shot at.
Let them try. I've completed the objective, so we can get off if you want.
Oh, we're in the circle, lovely. They were definitely on this bridge.
Yeah. There they are.
I'm gonna go down. Where'd it go? Oh, I see him.
Nice. The big island spawned. We could get to it and then fight the big boss.
Yeah, it depends on how many others are going.
Yeah.
Watching our backs.
I mean, there is a
Light
big-
running on white.
It is like a big island where people will fight anyway, so we could
Where-
like
Is that at the station over there?
probably. Bro, I wish I was built as fucking Doberman.
You wish you had croissants for arms.
Yeah. This is just me. This is me if I had a persona, which is also I do have a persona, but like if I didn't have a monkey as a persona. What, in a car?
Yep. I feel like they're gonna try and get behind us.
Let's just get on the island. Might as well.
Yeah. Just gonna try and slide as far as possible. There's definitely gunshots behind us.
Yep, that's why I say let's keep running.
Bit windy.
Bit windy. Just a bit. Hello?
Well, how do I get from island to island? Do I just jump
Yeah,
off?
you just jump.
Reloading would be really helpful around about now. Uh-oh. Haha. Nope.
Good fight. Oh, there's someone here with us.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, I'm low.
Here you go.
Thanks. Behind. Well, behind me, because I'm facing. What? I didn't. That's not what I meant to pick up, but okay. Grab the ammo.
Okay, you healed up and stuff?
Yeah, I'm full.
Bog.
They're definitely down that way. Trying to work out where. Sorry.
Someone's coming here.
Yeah.
Good fight. Oh, it was a ghost. Okay. Well, we need to get out the island.
Yeah, we need to book it.
So now I got like a thing where I basically have infinite sprint and go invisible.
That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. That's the guy that the Johnny Silverhand
Yeah.
got us with earlier. Oh.
Someone here.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh no. Reload,
One's like lit.
Reload. Yeah. Come on, you fuck. Where are you? Ah!
Damn. Good try.
I could have done with a shotgun.
I thought
I
I...
got murdered by Geraldo.
No! Not Geraldo. Oh god.
It's just embarrassing.
SMH my head. Alright, one more question mark? Una más?
Okay, I can do one more.
Una más, por favor. Well, at least until the store changes, and then we'll see what's new.
What time does it change? Is it midnight?
Yeah, midnight. Or 1 AM for me.
Yeah.
1 AM. Oh, God. I'm so tired.
You're allowed to be. It's that weird place between like Christmas and New Year where you're just full of cheese and
Well,
whatever else you've eaten over
I
Christmas.
guess. To be honest, I've ate fish and that's it. I haven't had any leftovers really. So I just had fish and then that's it. This year's was pretty weird for me when it came to Christmas. It was like usually when it's Christmas, I have so much food left over because obviously I was like living with my mum, but now I just don't have anything. I was just like,
We have so much cheese left, it's frightening.
oh, please share.
I bought this really expensive truffle cheese that I didn't know the price of when I picked it up, and then I nearly had a heart attack. But I bought it anyway. And it was good, but it was £9.
Oh. God fucking damn. Alright,
Shall we twinkle?
shall
Shall we go twinkly?
Let's go twinkling. Let's go twinkle in the was it twinkle? Let's go twinkle in the
Twilight
terrace.
twinkle? Terrace, twilight, twinkle, whatever.
Me when I'm trying to get cat hair out of my mouth.
Speaking of cat hair, I have no idea where the feline has disappeared to.
Mm.
I'm getting suspicious. It's gone quiet.
Suspiciously quiet.
Quite a few people landing here.
Yeah, they're probably going to the forest part. We're going to Twinkle. Twinkle.
I'm trying to. I'm getting very low.
No.
It's alright, I'm just gonna have to sprint it the rest of the way. Oh, I landed on a tree. That was... Okay.
Oh no. £9? Yeah, £9. Pretty bad. Also, hi, mate.
£9. You know what? It was worth every single penny, but it was still £9.
Fuck? What the
I was like,
fuck?
hi, May.
What the fuck? I just landed next to, like, enemies that just fucking spawned next to me.
I've broken a cankle. I've definitely broken a cankle.
You know what are broken? Hearts. Any dubs? Fuck no. Quite the opposite, actually.
No, because unfortunately Olaf's having to play with me, so...
Hey, you're not bad, I'm also bad. Like, right now, I just died.
Yeah, I haven't got fucking weapon. I just... A gun, my kingdom for a gun. That'll do.
Just cat's back to you, just walking leisurely.
No,
Not even like running with urgency, but like you actually just like fucking Giga Chad like walking.
I'm probably gonna get my face shot off.
Oh no.
I can hear so many gunshots. Don't know where any of the no, we're good. I'm gonna dip out of that fight a little bit. Oh, they're so coming for me.
You got this.
Can hear them. Where? Didn't mean to do that. Oh!
Oh.
There he go!
There's the guy that
Oh, reload, damn it! Ah, no!
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm so boned. Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Terrible, that was
Uno
awful.
mas. Uno mas. One more. Because that was awful. That was way too quick.
That was terrible from me. That was
That was terrible for me as well. What the fuck happened? Oh, my chocolate straw dropped on the floor, and it scattered.
You know what? I take full responsibility for that.
Don't. I take full responsibility. So much, in fact, that like, because of the chocolate straw dropping, I was not paying attention or helping whatsoever. I was just saying, yeah, good luck, good job.
Alright, I read May's comment. Just, yeah.
I thought your
see
fucking
why.
tooth fell out. You know what, fair. I wouldn't be surprised if my tooth fell out.
You're just sitting there and bing!
Just randomly. You know, at the ripe age of 27, you start losing your teeth.
I can say nothing. I had to have 3 teeth out last year. Aww.
Well, there you go.
24.
There you go. At the ripe age of 27, you start losing your teeth.
2 of them were wisdom teeth, so they don't really count.
Okay.
The other one was shattered on a butterscotch.
Oh my god.
Like a true 80-year-old.
Can't believe this. Alright, let's
I know. I got taken down by a Withers original.
just crack your teeth on that shit.
Mean to. Didn't go out of my way to shatter a molar.
I get that. Let's go over there instead because it's closer to you. I had like moments where I wasn't eating like anything like hard or anything. I was just like bit into something. I was biting it, and then my tooth just shattered, and I was like, "Oh, fun."
My mum bit into a bean sprout, and her front tooth fell out.
Oh, Jesus.
The day before my 21st birthday,
Oh my
and
god.
the big party I was supposed to be having.
Hey,
But
listen,
she had tabs,
styling.
so she just super glued it back in.
Oh god. Not the super glue back in.
Hey man, if it works, it works.
Yeah, but that's just leaves a yummy taste. Yum yum, so good.
How much super glue do you think she put on it? She only had to put like a little tiny bit on.
Still stays on your mouth. But like it's still
Not
like
unless you're like rubbing it with your tongue. If you just put like a tiny bit on and then gently push it into place, it's fine.
I guess.
And it
I mean-
lasted until she could go and get her dentures sorted out, so...
Birthday was not ruined.
Birthday was not ruined, but I did find it hilarious because she just went, "Oh!" and then whistled because she had a gap. I felt bad, but it was really funny.
I think if my like front tooth comes out, I will probably just laugh. Maniacal. But, you know.
My biggest fear is one of my bottom ones coming out because it is more likely to happen than one of the top ones.
Yeah.
I'm not going to take a hunting rifle. I'm a terrible shot.
I'll take one, even though I am also a terrible shot.
What are these little dudes?
These are little munchkin guys. You can pick them up, and then if you throw them on the these guys specifically, they'll they launch you up pretty much. They make a wind current go up,
Whee! Okay, that's adorable.
and you can also,
Put them in here.
fact, sacrifice them to the gods. Yeah, hold on. I'm coming. I was just having to make a decision whether to leave my hunting rifle or not.
Yeah, come here.
All right, I didn't even realize I don't have. I don't have that.
Yeah, I picked them up like immediately when I landed and then completely forgot I had it.
Whoa, yo, 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 yo. There you go.
Oh.
And then whatever sprite it is, it gives us like the boon for it. Or like gives 1.
That's pretty cute. Oh shit.
We're also being shot at.
Why is the wall's hitbox so fucking massive for no reason? Behind. Got him.
Good. Let's go, Buggy. Good job.
I'll take the shotgun.
I chipped my front tooth by my brain telling me to bite down on the metal fork.
No. That's where
Yum
my
fuck.
teeth go itchy. I don't like it. Nah.
Mostly your mustache can hide a lot. It can. However, what happens when I, you know, bzz, won't be able to
I have
hide
a quick
anymore.
scan up here. No, I believe I
there's
was
people
getting
here.
shot at. Yeah, somebody was shooting at me. Can't tell what from where though. Oh no, I see him. Yep.
Got him.
There's still gunfight firing.
There
Gun firing?
is. Gunfight firing.
That's the one. I'm gonna. If you jump up here, there's
Yeah. Use the plane. Wee. Oh, also yeah.
Yeah.
Let's zipline there.
Yeah. Me. Oh god! I forgot it's not automatic. I'm not playing Horizon Zero Dawn.
No, you're not. No, you are not.
Would have ended disastrously.
On ping.
Yep. I'm going around the back. Oh my god, that goes nowhere. That's not what I wanted. I can hear them.
I killed them.
Oh, both of them.
Yeah, 3 of
Oh.
them.
Oh, 3 of them. Okay. Oh, I might have been hearing your feet then. Apologies.
That's okay. I too hear my feet sometimes.
Sorry.
That's you? Question mark?
Thank you very much.
Shield pop. I'll drink that. They just think they do, they go.
Oh.
That was me. My bad.
Panic.
Accident. You're not sacrificing. That's not that's sacrificing.
There's
I
gunshots coming from the vicinity of the train.
Yeah. Oh god, where are you? Where did I lose
I
you?
still have no gun that is of any use.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah, I'm up on like right at the.
I was so confused. I was like, where the fuck are you?
Nobody's on the train, but there was gunshots in its vicinity. Yeah, sorry, I went right to the top because I was like, I can hear him. Aha! I could! Water boon. Swimming grants health and shields to yourself and nearby swimming squad mates. Nice.
Pog.
Let me get rid of that. Oh, car.
It's okay, just don't shoot at them. What if they ignore?
Yeah.
Oh, they're coming here. Great.
Yeah. Oh. Are they fighting someone?
They are.
See, this is an absolute win.
Do you reckon I could just like jump down on the tracks and then see if I can?
I was just thinking that, but there's a gap between the building and the track.
They want one of them won the fights.
Yeah, I can hear them chugging. I'm trying to work out where they are without. Well, sorry, your head was in the way.
Sorry,
There is a
pardon me.
down. Oh no, it's not a downed guy. It's alright. It was a reindeer. It looked like a guy. They're definitely under us. This is just Tarkov. We're just playing Tarkov. We're just being scavs.
We are. I think they left.
I think they left as well.
Okay. No, they're still around. Hold on.
Yeah, I did violent.
Oh, I see them.
movements.
They're here. They're here.
Where's here? Above?
Over here.
Above
No,
with
no,
you.
no. They're coming here.
Okay.
Because I saw one literally jump up and I was like, oh, okay. I think they're coming up the stairs.
Yep, I'm on the stairs. Oh no, maybe not.
Yeah,
They are definitely on the stairs. I'm... Oh, he's got the sword! Oh my god, he's got the sword! He's up above. Oh my god. He's above. He's right above.
Let him try to come.
Okay, where are you? Oh shit. Oh god, he got me! He got me! Oh god, gun. Oh, there is somebody coming. I'm dipping. I'm gonna grab. Oh god, that's coming as well. I could get rid of that. I didn't want to pick that up. Let me pick that up. Okay. That was close.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we could get shields and health by swimming. Hang on.
Oh. I forgot about that.
Yeah, if you're close to me.
Yeah. I think it doesn't go to full, but it goes to like
That's
75.
okay. Oh no! I think
Oh,
you
no.
do go to full.
Fog?
No, 75. That's fine.
Yeah,
I
for
just
shields
usually-
is 75, health is 100.
Cool. Thank God for that though.
Mm.
Ooh.
We were prepared.
We were prepared. For a change.
Yeah. For once in our life.
I think there's fighting up on the island. I think somebody's trying to take the boss.
Yeah, the guy. There's a car?
Oh, yeah. Oh my god. I'd really like my scroll wheel to not do that.
Oh, damn. Alright. Fuck. Looks like the sword, not good.
No.
well.
I scrolled past my gun because my scroll is like ridiculously sensitive.
No.
Terrible.
Horrible.
Might have to do something about that.
Shop reset.
What
Get
we
Gritty's back.
Oh no.
What are these faces that he's pulling? Oh fuck, it's back. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Oh no.
See, I don't think you understand. So, when this game, when this emote came out, I was like, I really want this fucking emote. But I don't know if I should, like, you know, get it. And then, like, the next day, or, like, after 2 days, it just fucking, like, disappeared. Never came back. So...
Been gritty for ages.
Come on, reset. There we go.
Oh, did they get rid of the star system that you have to do? You had to do for the
Battle Pass, yeah.
battle pass, yeah. Good, because I hated that.
Yeah, it's now like basically you redeem whatever, like however many levels you have, you just redeem
So much better.
whatever you get. All right.
Thank you very much, Froggems. I shall dip and let you
Wait.
do your thing. Oh.
You have to experience my happiness finally.
Oh my god.
It's so perfect with him as well.
Look at him go.
That's all I wanted. What else do we have?
Not much.
California love.
Do you want some elf shoes that look like they're actually made of whipped cream at the top? Because they're horrible.
Oh, is that the fucking...
All the shoes are in at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I could get the fucking elf helpers. No. I shouldn't.
The shoes thing is mad to me.
It's funny.
Oh, Master Chief is in.
Ah, I've got Master Chief. Thank you, Demon. Because Demon fucking gifted it to me. Oh, you can check who can wear the kicks. That's cool. The Adidas. Oh, man. It's so funny. Because, okay. I don't know if how much you care about shoes or whatever. It's funny because, like, they've only added, like, Nike shoes.
Yeah.
But not Adidas's.
What? Okay.
But, like, they have Adidas skins.
I mean, maybe come back to me when they have like Vans stuff.
They might.
As an
I mean,
elder
yeah.
millennial,
Yeah.
I need my like orthopedic Vans.
Oh, God. Let's see, what else do they have? Mariah Carey. I'm not buying Mariah Carey. What the fuck is this?
You could get Santa Shack.
No, I don't have the money for that anymore. I'd have to because I only got 1,000.
Is he actually enormous when you play him though, or is he the same
No,
height
he's
as-
just normal height.
That's so disappointing.
It is. It is very disappointing.
Oh, they finally started selling just skins on their own now. That's cool.
This
Oh, they've
started
changed a
so-
lot since the last time I came. on.
Yeah. I might get the knife for the dog. Because that's the only thing that I'm missing from him now.
The bun. Where is he?
Either the panikiri, or I could save it for the honey bun base. Just so funny. Or I could just get a.
That butter on the knife. That's adorable.
Yeah, that's what it's meant to be. Or I could just get another fucking emote, which is which one did I want? California Love. Or this one. I mean,
Look at his
yeah, like so.
deal.
So the face on the Viper is funny, like the fucking emotions going on.
Imagine getting killed and you just see that face.
What else do we have?
Oh, this emote really goes on for a while.
Which one?
The rushing around. It's practically the entire song.
Oh yeah.
That got something to do with butterflies, and I assume it's from the battle pass, but I don't know where it is.
Butterflies?
Yeah. Or if it's from a quest.
It might be from a quest.
Every possibility, yeah.
Because there's no like butterflies from the looks of things. Oh, this is like this is the dilemma. Do I get the fucking emote that makes him like be hyper fucking like bring out all of his emotions, or do I just get his knife?
It was lobby music. I just saw the butterflies and didn't see the face.
Do I get the butter knife or do I get the fucking emote that is makes his face go crazy?
Get the emote. The emote is so much better. Like, you're more likely to see the emote than you are to see a buttery knife.
There we go. Huge purchases. And guess what? I used code-based. Used code-based to get those purchases.
Oh, I did.
Good. Alright, Pug. Good games.
Yes, good games.
Good
I will
games.
leave you to do your Arrivederci's to stream.
Yeah. Thank you very much for playing. I appreciate it.
Quite alright. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Take care. Hello. Hello, gamers. We are gonna finish the stream here. I know it's been, like, short. but with fucking Fortnite, and especially like with me, what's it called? With me talking with other people, my social battery is kind of like, well, nosediving hard. So we're just gonna finish the stream here. We're just gonna finish the stream here and gonna relax for the rest of the night. Now, question is, because tomorrow is Monday, so usually like I take Mondays off. However, New Year Eve is on the Tuesday, and obviously New Year's is on the Wednesday. I'm thinking about potentially taking a day off on Wednesday. However, I don't know. I'm thinking of either doing that and streaming tomorrow, or I don't stream tomorrow and I stream on Wednesday, or I don't stream on Monday or on Wednesday and I just take 2 days off next week to mentally prepare myself to do what's it called? Practical lessons for my driving. So I don't know. I really don't know whether what the streaming schedule is going to be next week, pretty much. All I know is I'm going to be definitely streaming on Tuesday, because I've literally got nothing to fucking do. So I guess I'm experiencing New Year's with you guys, because I really have nothing to do. And then, yeah, New Year is going to be... Might take the day off. Potentially, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, we're definitely going to be doing New Year's Eve stream. I don't know what I'm going to be playing. Well, if I... depends, actually. If I stream tomorrow, I'm probably going to do Astrobot. And we might finish Astrobot tomorrow. If I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow, then I'm probably going to play Astrobot on Tuesday, and we might, like, just finish Astrobot on Tuesday. Or, it depends, because I want to, like, get Platinum for it as well. So I have no idea. I have zero idea. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Play by ear. I guess maybe I could do that. Maybe I could do that. Maybe. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Just keep an eye out on Discord, and then we'll see how it's gonna be. We'll see how it's gonna go. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna finish the stream here. Let's raid Velocity. They're streaming, so we might as well raid them. Yeah. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. Hope you all have a wonderful day / night / whatever time zone you're in. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your family. But most importantly, take care of yourselves. You beautiful, fantastic, amazing, spectacular, cute, adorable, just really fantabulous beings that live in this plane of existence. Yeah, keep an eye out on Discord. See when I'm going to be streaming next. It's either... It definitely on Tuesday. Just don't know whether I'm going to be streaming tomorrow. But we'll see. yeah. Either way, next stream is going to be Astrobot. So yeah. I love you and leave you over tonight. Take care of yourself. Sleep well. Have a wonderful rest of the night or day. And yeah, say hello to Velocity for me. Make sure you follow them if you haven't. And yeah, I love you and leave you over tonight. Take